PMI is pushing for case studies or scenario based questions and hands-on understanding of the concept. So you would see these kind of questions with the scenario and lot of questions based on that scenario coming in the exam starting July. Let's look at the other type of questions. So the next type of question is enhanced matching. These are the questions which will show you some kind of scenario here and some kind of drag and drop. For example, here in this scenario it says you need to click and drag and put it out here as to where exactly the schedule is ahead of schedule or on schedule, etc. So what you need to do if you are if you, let's say you understand that on schedule is here, you need to click, drag and drop it here, and then drag and drop the other colors, other ones over here. For example, ahead of the schedule gonna be here. Okay, so this would be ahead of schedule, this would also be ahead of schedule, and this is behind schedule. So you need to drag and drop and so on. This is another type of questions. Let's look at, so this is drag and drop. You need to analyze the question. That's very, very important that you understand the concept. Then the next type of question is again analysis of the entire scenario. Here the example is an RTM is given, requirement traceability metrics and requirement IDs and description. Here it says which requirement specifies the scenario. So you need to select the requirement, and then click on, it could be a multi-select or single select. So that is how you need to again analyze the information given either in charts, diagram or images. The next type of question, you have seen these kind of questions, multiple choice, single response. So you would have scenario and then you would have radio buttons. This is most common type of questions which used to come earlier. 4 radio buttons, 1 choice is correct. So you would still see them, somewhere around 50% of the questions going to be like this. Next type of questions you're going to see is multiple response questions, which means you would have scenario and then you would have check boxes, and it says click on or select all 3, select all 4, or select all that applies. So you need to select all the ones which applies. So that is multi-select, and then you have point and click. So let's look at point and click. So these are also called hotspot type of questions. Here it will ask you, what is which is where. So you need to click and select the right answer. There are hotspots which are invisible, you don't know, and then you have to select that, whether it's here, the answer correct is here, you need to click here or click here or click here. So you need to select the right response. Again, it requires you to understand the concept and then select the right responses. The next set of questions is matching question. Here and you would see it in my LMS, wherein what is the role of project manager, what is the role of scrum master, or what is the duration of time box of daily meetings and so on. So you need to click and drag, you need to click portfolio manager to the right place. So if you look at it here, portfolio manager, you need to click and drag, again click and drag it to right places. So you need to click and drag and then then click on submit. The next type of question is drop down questions, which is there is a question and then you have to select the right answer. Very simple, these are easiest question of all. There's only one option, so select the right option. There may be a chance that you may need to select multiple options here. So then it would give you an answer that press control and select. So you can select the right answers by doing pull down list. So these are the questions which PMI is gonna change and new question gonna come.